How to resize images in Wix. Hey everyone and welcome, I hope you're all doing great. In this video I'll show you step by step how to do so. Now Wix does offer plenty of different ways to do this and be able to resize the images however you actually like it to be. So I'm just going to showcase different methods on how to do so, and hopefully you found one that or find one that is going to suit you and your needs. So first, you will need to just go ahead and open up your edit site, or click on edit site and open up your site editor. So I'm just going to do that for myself here, and then I'm just going to show you one method that is going to be the main one, and you can use it right away. It's going to have a lot of different options, which is great, so that you can have different varieties with it as well. Now let's just go ahead and wait for this to load, and then I'm just going to show you exactly what I was talking about. So in my case, I'm just going to go ahead and scroll down a little bit, and then I'm just going to click on add section, click on add elements, and then I'm just going to go for image, upload and import, and click on that. I'm not going to upload from computer because I already have different images here that I can crop. So I'm just going to use this one as an example and click on add to page. Now, right away, it's actually going to be added here for me. So one way, this is not the method that I was just talking about a second ago, by the way. This is just an extra, is that you can actually resize it to be the background. If that's your need, or you need to do that, you should find on the top right corner of the image, set image as background. If you see that good, you can just go and click on it. It's actually going to take the entire background and fill it up. If not, then you can just go and revert back, and we can talk about the first method, which is going to which is going to be basically clicking on edit image right on top of it after you click on the actual image, and it should actually open up this for you. Now here you can change the brightness and stuff, but this is not what we're talking about. Instead, you just want to go to the top left corner and click on crop and extend, like that. So from crop and extend, you basically have the option to free crop right away, like so, or from the corners if you want to, or from the bottom or the top, or even sides if you want. So this is going to be entirely free crop. Or you can just go ahead and select pre-built selections here, or proportions that you can go with. So just go ahead and select them and see which one is going to suit you best. And if you want it to be, for example, more vertical instead of horizontal, then in that case, you can just go to orientation and go to portrait mode. And this is just going to create this portrait mode for you. And you can obviously select more elements in here. Now, if you want it to be more custom, you can just go to landscape or portrait and just change the width and height to the size that you actually want. So from here. So this is going to be the best way to, or possibly to, change the size of the image to exactly the size that you want it to be. And you can also always upscale the image from here after you do crop it. So this is the first method and the best one in my opinion. If this is not what you want, we can just click on save, or just exit out of here completely, like so. And basically, we can just go ahead and start doing the free size from here. So we can just go and drag the corners up or the sides up and down like so. But it's going to be better if we just grab the corners, try to make it as big or small as we want it to be. Now here's the thing, you are dragging it, but you can't really do much here because the numbers are pretty much stuck. It's always just going to be this shape. For example, if it is square, it's always going to be a square if you drag the corners. You can change that by just holding shift while you drag. So you can see now it's still a square. It's just getting bigger, but if you hold shift, it's actually going to just be free crop. So as you can see, it's always just going to move with us and our cursor. But yeah, this is pretty much all for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative, and thanks for watching.